Hi, so you are pregnant, excited, and you've already chosen who your obstetrician gynecologist is that you're actually already walking the journey with. You go to clinics to see them and they monitor your baby's growth and they monitor your health as well as a mom. You've also chosen the hospital or health facility that you have chosen to have your baby. But have you thought about your child's pediatrician? Have you thought about choosing a pediatrician to walk the journey with you once your baby is born? That's what I want to talk about in this video. My name is Ciera and you're watching Nurturing Moms. So I think one of the main or major decisions that you will make as a parent is to choose a doctor to walk the journey with you and to take care of your sick baby, whether or not they're sick or not. It's so important to choose a pediatrician. And as you're choosing the hospital that you want to have your baby, you have already chosen the obstetrician gynecologist that you are walking the journey of pregnancy with. Think about choosing a pediatrician for your baby. And how do you choose a pediatrician? I think the first thing I'd recommend is talk to friends and talk to your family members. Talk to people who already have children. Who is their pediatrician? What feedback do they have? What has been their experience with this particular doctor or doctors? And then make a decision from their experience. Another way you can actually choose one is ask your obstetrician gynecologist. One thing I know for sure is certain doctors work with certain pediatricians. Yeah, so if you want to give birth, then they come with a pediatrician. So you can tell you, don't worry about that. There's a doctor I work with, I'll come with them and they will receive your baby. They have a list of them in case one is not available, they have another. So ask them what is their experience with them, how is this doctor compared with this one, and they'll give you their side or their experience with them and advise you accordingly. Also, if you have insurance cover, your choices might be a bit limited because you have to choose the doctors that are on that panel. So this insurance has a certain number of pediatricians under them, and only those are the only ones you can choose. So yes, your choice is limited, but it's okay. Talk to people who have used those pediatricians, and if you want to talk to them further by meeting them and having a consultation with them and having a sit down. You know, there's a way you can talk to someone and you're like, I didn't feel that doctor. Even if they have been praised and people have said how nice they are, but you, for one, you just don't feel them. That's how a woman would say, I didn't feel that doctor. And it's fine. So go to the next one. So your choice may be limited. And please note, I'm not only talking to moms who are going to go and have a private doctor. Even in a public hospital, you know what you can do? Monitor and choose a pediatrician. Talk to the nurses, talk to the midwives there and say, okay, which pediatrician here is a good one? And they'll tell you, I mean, it's free information. They'll tell you Dr. So-and-so is good. Then after Dr. and so-and-so, this other doctor, meet the doctors. Then find out when are they on call, when are they working, what days do they work in that particular clinic. So you choose to go on that day. Not that you're going to pay extra to see them, no. You're going not as a private patient, but you'll see that doctor that you like. And the best thing is you will walk the journey with them. So they have the birth history of your baby, they have the history of their illnesses, what medicines work, what don't work, how has their general health been. This is a doctor that will be accessible. So take their number, and you can actually text them, ask question, doc, this is what's happening, and they'll tell you either come in or wait it out and then let's see what happens, and you communicate with them on phone. You don't really have to go to the clinic. That's the best thing about having a doctor that you're working with. They know you. Even when you call them, they're not wondering who's this patient or who's this mom or dad. They already know that your baba nani and your baby has been like this and this is what needs to be done. And if it's important to visit them in the clinic, then you visit them. Even having chosen your obs-gyne, chosen the facility that you want to work to have your baby in, think about choosing a pediatrician. And the best way to choose one is word of mouth. So talk to other moms, other parents out there with children, and understand what or who or which doctor that they prefer and go with them. I hope you've learned something, and if you have, please share this video and subscribe to my videos so that you never miss a video. Share this information out there. We're here to support you, to educate you, and to empower you. And you're watching Nurturing Moms.